Hey guys, Kimberzelik here, and I'm going to try to finish up a previously started project. And what I built was a stand to go back here behind the lathe and hold my tooling. It's going to make it 2 steps closer. Let's see, 1, 2. We'd call it 3 steps closer to where it currently is. But this way it'll be right here on the back of the machine. And what I've made so far is I got the main body. And I'm thinking, I got these are actually the legs for my sander. Disc and belt sander combination from Harbor Freight. Caught that in the scratch and dent department for $148, I think it was. And normally close to $300. Very nice machine. I'm not sure if I have it screwed down to this or not. No, it's just sitting up there. But it's on a Rubbermaid cart. But anyway, I'm left over with the reason this was so deeply discounted. But this actually looks like it might... Whoa! Might actually be a nice backdrop for this. You know, something like that. But what I have currently is... let me turn this on so I can see the screen. What I have currently here for fastening this is this. This came out of a fireplace wood grate set. So currently this hooks up to the slot in the back of the lathe, and then this tray would screw onto here. But with all the weight that's going to be on here, this is kind of like what it is, only in reverse. It'll actually be mounted like this, and you won't see this because it'll be up against the back of the lathe. So I need to have twice the support, I believe. So I've already made one cut here, and I have to stick that to there, drill a 1/2-13 hole. I went up a size. These bolts actually fit inside the T slot. I guess I should check that. So, yes. Yeah, that's the T slot. So, that'll have to be I got my DRO scale mounted there, so I'm limited to how close to the headstock I can go. But yeah, those are going to work perfect for connecting that to the lathe. And I got some, I think these are grade 3. And I got some other mystery grade nylock and a bunch of washers. Obviously I needed some washers here. So, got kind of surprised for the back of this. And I'm not sure if we're actually going to do this or not, but we'll see. So let me get my my hot glue gun set up, and we'll get this stuff all stuck together. Maybe drill a hole in this first. Need to open this hole up. Okay, that's gonna work there. Now I need a hole in this. Okay, so we'll do one more hole here. And I started this project a month ago or so, and let's get this thing cleaned up.
Alright.
Okay, I really want to preface this by telling you that I am not a welder.
Alright, so we got a winner.
I
We got
don't know
Glenn.
how to weld.
So that's the end of this heat.
Turn this off.
We're going to announce the next.
I don't know how to weld. I did heat this piece up because I believe this exceeds the ability of this machine to actually weld. So let me try to just tack this on. That'll be a start. So like I said, I preheated this piece. I have a feeling that that helps. Let me make sure I have this in the right orientation. Okay, so there's the curve. It's going to be like this. So I need to have it on this end. I V'd this top piece out a little bit. I'm going to put the helmet on, I think. Okay. Okay, why am I not doing anything? Okay, I got the power on. I got the piece grounded. Okay, something's wrong because I should be getting some electricity there. Let me try to get a better ground maybe. It's got to be it. Okay, this should be it now. Let's test it. Let's just see. We got it now. Let me turn the speed down a little bit. And okay, there's a start. Let me get this repositioned. Well, I'm going to get me a better ground surface here. Okay, I've kind of mocked up the, what do I have in here to show you? I've kind of mocked up the stand for that. Obviously the platform will connect here, but this one here is a little low, so it's going to require a little blacksmithing, I guess. A little heating and bending anyway. So I have a partial tank of MAP gas. I need to pull this towards me to raise this side. So I'm going to put the wrench on here after we get some heat and get that thing bent. Well, I'll try a 1/2 inch first. So let me fire up my MAP gas. And see what we can do with this. Okay, I'm not sure how easy this is going to bend. It was made to sit in a fireplace. Give it a try. Apparently it's going to need a lot more heat than I have. Or leverage. I'm going to work on it a little longer. Okay, this thing, I just don't have the capability of introducing enough heat to that.
Where's that mic? Can we get Tom on this stick mic? Yeah, I'm gonna draw the tickets and hand them to you, and you can.
Rip the vise off the table. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that, but.
There you go. Start with that one.
So you want me to read the numbers or what?
You don't have to read the numbers, just the name on the back and talk a little.
There it goes.
You gonna make me pronounce the names?
That one's easy.
Okay, that's
D. Schneider.
That's not gonna happen. But
Read number? You want to switch spots with me?
I'm listening to the
You don't have to read the number.
I don't have to read the number?
the Bar Z bash.
What am I doing here? Just
This
names?
is what. Yep. You're just gonna give it.
Okay.
That's gonna be.
Oh,
Schneider.
okay. So D. Schneider, you got yourself a R8 keyless chuck. Paratus, Bill Parat. And we got a 10-piece. In the middle? Yep. The middle of what?
Tom Lipton's getting ready to call my name. Here it is, maybe.
Our fault?
No.
Hi, Kimber.
Yeah, this is. He pulled my name the same time I just joined the live chat. So
Okay.
I'm just chatting right now.
Kimberzelik. Thank you. Is that you? Kimberzelik, okay, and it's a metric indicator.
Kimber's online saying hello right
Oh, hi, Kimber. Yeah.
So what
All right. Got that?
what a coincidence, huh?
Next.
I happen to have been signing into the chat the time my name was drawn. Me and Tom, you know, we work those things out. You know, I may have bent this a little bit, but I can just stand up a stack of washers and elevate this end of it. Probably should have done that in the beginning, but, well, you know, considering this stuff was made to sit in the bottom of a fireplace and hold the hot logs, now I get to wait 2 hours and let that thing cool off. And let's try this maybe. Yeah. It'll be a while. Well, I've gone from 2 brackets on my tool holder to just 1, because there wasn't any hope of me getting the 2 of them level. It would have took a little more forethought than I'm capable of, apparently, at this time. I need to work on that planning. And I just had to cobble together hardware that I could come up with. And an example here is I have these 2 long bolts that are much too long. They're a flathead screwdriver, but that is secure, and that was the goal. Fortunately, I had, where'd it go? Where did that ugly thing go? Here it is. Fortunately, I had this, which it has jelly jar lids on all 4 sides. And it used to house all these jars. Anything from wood plugs to finish nails to roofing nails and lag bolts. So, digging through the jars that I had, I was able to come up with the hardware. So, God forbid I wait till tomorrow and go to the store and buy some proper hardware. Oh, I see partial projects all over this bench. I just gotta get my horn working. And okay, but that's what we got. We have a little couple washers in here to offset this angle. And there's where it mounts to the lathe. And there it be. So let's go get it hooked up to the lathe and see what it looks like. Oh. Well, there it is. It's far from probably, well, maybe it is finished. I might paint it all gray, get rid of the red. But I got my live centers, my dead center, my center drill, my chuck. Seems like I have some more MT3. I have an MT3 up here. We can take an MT3 sleeve with a holder in it. So there it is. The tools hang on the tab. The tabs aren't all straight. I can crank everything past it without any interference, so it's not hindering the length of my bed. Let's go back here in the back and give you a look at how it's hooked up. And now my other idea was to put a back panel on it. You know, a panel back here. Hold on, let's pull one out. Okay, let's take the back panel idea. This piece of metal is actually the stand for my sander. It was damaged in shipping. But, you know, something like that. Oh well, What does anybody think about that? I guess this will give me an opportunity to look at it as well. Can I clamp that on there to see what it might look like for a while? Yeah, let's get a clamp. So the back panel would look something like that without the edges. Maybe the edges are nice, I don't know. I'm losing a hanger. So maybe we can have a survey if anybody cares to comment on the back panel, yes or no. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to hang a tool up there or not. Yeah, I can still get a tool there. Boy, it's a shame these two are so bad. At least this one is so bad. Maybe if I hang that one upside down, it might make a difference. No. Okay, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. There's one more project a little closer to fruition. And I kind of like the panel in the back. I was thinking I could collect pictures of some of my favorite YouTube people and make a collage in the back behind the tools. Okay, it could even be a sticker board back there. Yeah, it could be a picture of the sticker board. Here I go again. Okay, guys, having fun with the 3D printer, as you can see. And I need to get my shop cleaned up again and get stuff like this squared away. Come on, Whitey. Where's Whitey? Whitey wants to come in. Come on in, Whitey. I'll make it possible for her to jump over the stuff and come into the garage. Yeah, I need to clean all this up. There's the Ender 3 V2. Yeah, that's right. Turns out I don't really need a clean room so much. I just need to keep this glass plate clean. So, tried to draw something up on Fusion today.